Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at the latest gadgets to see if they're worth your time and money. Today, we're exploring the Magic Bullet Portable Blender 16-Aughts Cup Bundle in black, designed to make your blending experience more convenient and portable than ever. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick smoothie on the go or mix ingredients while traveling, this bundle promises to deliver flexibility and ease of use. Let's take a deep dive into what it offers and if it lives up to its claims. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender 16-Aughts Cup Bundle is designed with portability in mind. The bundle includes a 16-Aughts blending cup, which fits perfectly with the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, a handled flip-top to-go lid, a blade cover for safe storage, and a bottom-to-go lid that replaces the blade to make carrying it more convenient and lightweight. The promise here is simple, a blend of ease and functionality that fits into your active lifestyle. It's all about compactness, convenience, and versatility, giving you a chance to blend your favorite drinks or snacks while you're on the move. Now, let's talk about real-world testing and how this product performs in daily use. The setup is pretty straightforward, as you'd expect with most Magic Bullet products. The blending cup itself is small but surprisingly sturdy. When it came time to actually blend, I was curious to see how the performance would hold up, especially considering the portability aspect. I threw in a handful of frozen fruit, some yogurt, and a bit of juice. The blender powered through it without any hesitation. The 16-Aughts capacity is more than enough for a single serving, making it ideal for someone who wants a quick smoothie or protein shake without a ton of cleanup. The flip-top lid worked well, and I loved that it snapped on tightly, ensuring no spills or mess. Switching to the bottom-to-go lid instead of the blade was also a nice touch, making the whole thing lighter when transporting it in a bag or purse. As for strengths, the portability is by far one of the biggest highlights. It's not bulky, and the ability to blend and drink from the same cup is incredibly convenient. The blade cover for storage is another useful feature, as it ensures you don't risk any accidental cuts when you're reaching into your bag. On the downside, while the performance for basic smoothies is solid, it's important to remember that the Magic Bullet isn't designed for heavy-duty blending. If you're looking to blend ice, nuts, or anything tougher, this might struggle a bit. The 16-Aughts cup is ideal for a quick snack, but it's not going to serve a family or group without multiple refills. Value for money is where this product shines for certain users. For its compact size and functionality, the price feels justifiable, especially if you're someone who blends on the go frequently. If you were comparing this to other similar portable blenders, it's priced in line with its competitors, but with the added bonus of the extra convenience features like the handled lid and the easy-to-carry bottom lid. When you compare it to something like the BlendJet 2, which offers a slightly larger capacity and rechargeable battery, the Magic Bullet stands out in terms of simplicity and cost-effectiveness. However, if you're after a more robust blender with stronger motor power, you may want to look elsewhere. When it comes to build quality, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is lightweight but doesn't feel cheap. The plastic components are sturdy enough for everyday use, but it's not designed to last forever with heavy usage or mishandling. If you're someone who uses a blender multiple times a day or needs something for serious blending tasks, this probably won't be your long-term solution. The construction is more suited for occasional use, particularly for people who want something easy to carry with them to work or the gym. Customer support is something I didn't need to interact with directly for this product, but Magic Bullet has a solid reputation for its customer service. They're responsive and have a variety of ways to contact them if something goes wrong with your product. While this blender is relatively simple, any issues with the motor or blades can be resolved through their standard channels. Just remember, it's a product designed for quick and easy use, not industrial strength performance. Wrapping things up, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender 16-Aughts Cup Bundle is a great choice for anyone who needs a quick and portable blending solution. Its compact size, ease of use, and the included accessories make it a solid pick for daily use. especially for individuals who need something portable for smoothies or shakes. However, it does have limitations when it comes to blending tougher ingredients or large quantities. If you're a frequent blender user and need something more powerful, you might want to look into other options. But for occasional on-the-go use, it fits the bill perfectly. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you're interested in picking up the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, you can find the link in the comments below. Have you used this product? Let us know your thoughts or if you've had any experiences blending with it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Goodbye till next time. Keep blending.